In this video, I'll show you how to trade using the CloseCross platform and how easy it is to conduct what would normally be considered a complicated trade. The whole trading experience is a simple 3-click process. Select a VPF, predict the price, and commit your funds. So let's start by selecting a virtual prediction floor or VPF. If you're not yet familiar with the prediction floor interface, check out one of our other videos on understanding the prediction floors. So on the right hand side, we've got the outcome options. I can either predict what I think the absolute price of this asset will be at the time of maturity, or I can click here to see the relative change view, where I can predict what I think the percent change of the price would be at maturity from the time that it opened. For this tutorial, I'll use the absolute value. Predicting couldn't be simpler. You can select one or more of the outcome options, and remember, only one of these will ever be correct at the end. You might think that instead of predicting the final price, you want to predict based on the volatility of the asset. To predict extreme volatility, simply select the top and bottom options. To predict medium volatility, select the next two options in. To predict stability, select the middle two options. To predict an ever-rising price, select the top 2 or 3 options. Or to predict an ever-falling price, select the bottom 2 or 3 options. Once you've made your prediction in the method that you require, and have entered the amount of money that you want to place, click on Commit and your prediction will be confirmed. We also give you an aid in the form of crowd wisdom. The crowd wisdom will show you which options have the most or least amount of money and predictions against them. You could try and play safe by following the crowd, but for the possibility of a smaller share of the total funds, or perhaps go against them for the possibility of a larger share of the total funds.